Hello everyone, Namaste. My name is Prince Aryan and I am from class 6. Today in this video, we shall be discussing about a very great topic, which is going to be 5 shocking facts about dreams. Without wasting much more time, let's start our video. Fact number 1, that you forget 90% of your dream by the next 5 minutes of your wake up. Means when you wake up, whatever dream you have just saw, 90% of the dream you would be forgetting. Why is there reason? Because your brain is at a state of sleeping, and while the brain is sleeping, it doesn't remember the things, and due to it doesn't remember the things, 90% of our dreams get vanished up our brains, and at last only 10% of our dream is left over that we remember, right? So this is fact number 1, that we have learned that you forget 90% of your dream by the next 5 minutes of your wake up. Okay, so next, dreams are symbolic. Now what do you mean by this? That dreams are not always but sometimes symbolic. That means whatever happens in your dream, that thing is going to happen in your real life. So that thing is a quite different thing, because sometimes the people believe that why whatever the dream we see, that is actually a communication with the god. But that's not true in my case. But yes, dreams are symbolic. Sometimes whatever we dream happens in our real life as well, because as an average human, we always have negative thinking in our mind, and 90% of our dream, not 90 exactly, but if I tell you 70%, yes, 70% of our dream is quite negative dreamings, and lot of the most of the dreams is negative. On the other hand, 30% of our dream is symbolic and are positive. Now, so this is the second fact, that the dreams are symbolic. Now, next fact. Our next fact is going to be the REM and the dream. So, what is the REM? REM means rapid eye movement. Rapid, R for rapid, E for eye, and M for movement. When we talk about the REM and dream, that just means that our rapid eye movement, which happens around 20, which happens around 90 to 120 minutes of our whole sleep, that part is when we actually dream. And like as you can see here in your screen, the rapid eye movement, and then at this beside of it, you can see um, a dog is dreaming in his mind while he is sleeping. So when the rapid eye movement is there, at that time the brain or most of the functionalities are paralyzed, and that is why we dream the things. Now, you know why I'm saying that most of the time of the REM movement the body is paralyzed, because if you're dreaming something, for suppose you're dreaming something and you're dreaming that you are hitting a person, so in that case you might hold an object and also hurt yourself. So in that case, our body has its own means its own system to avoid this thing. So what happens at that time? The body, or specifically our brain, paralyzes the whole body and prevents us to do anything and pause anything that's even happening in our body. Nextly, if we talk about the fourth fact, so third fact that we have learned is REM and dream, rapid eye movement and dream. Fourth fact is blind people also dream as well. So now, if we talk about blind people, what they actually do is they dream as well. There are two cases. What are the two cases? If the person is blind from the birth, then he would be only seeing the shadows of the object, and like whatever things he touched, felt, or just has noticed, that thing he is going to see in his dream. Done. Then the next thing is, if the person is blind from a certain age, then that person, like, he will see the colorful dreams that he has already experienced when he was not blind. Yes, so this thing is clear. Now blind people dream as well, which is the fourth fact. Now let's move on to our next fact, which is, let me show you the last and the foremost tag, which is going to be, when we see the people we already saw. What does that mean? We see the people whom we already saw, means in the dream, or whenever we just dream, we see the people which we have already saw in our life. For suppose you have saw your mother like daily, and that is the thing which comes in your mind, that you see your mother in your dream. So that thing happens with each and every person, that if whenever they will see the dream, there won't be any person whom they have not seen in another life. Like the person whom they have already seen would be only they would be seeing them. Right. So this is all the five facts that we have known about our dreams. So I hope you learned. Our first fact was, you forget about 90% of your dream by the next 5 minutes of your wake up. Then is dreams are symbolic. Then third is rapid eye movement and the dream. Then fourth is blind people dream as well. Fifth is we see the people in the dream which we have already seen in our life. So these are all the five facts about the dream, and I hope you like this video. And so at the last of this video, I would like to say that thank you for watching this video. I will be meeting in my next video. Till then, stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and bye.